Welcome to Knowledge Shots.
Hello there. Today, let's learn about coconut tree and its uses. Interesting, isn't it? Right then, let's jump straight into learning. The coconut tree is a member of the palm tree family. The scientific name of coconut is Cocos nucifera. The name coconut is derived from 16th century Portuguese and Spanish word coco, meaning head or skull. The three indentations on the coconut shell resemble facial features. The coconut is commonly thought to be a nut, but it is actually the fruit of the tree. More specifically, it is a drupe. Drupes are more commonly called stone fruits. Peaches, plums, cherries and coconut are all drupes. There are two groups of coconut tree, tall and dwarf. The coconut tree contains both male and female flowers, but doesn't self-pollinate. Coconut water has been used as a short-term substitute for blood plasma. It contains good levels of sugars, dietary fiber, proteins, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. The white fleshy part of the coconut seed is called coconut meat. It has high amount of manganese, potassium and copper. The fresh and dried meat of coconut is used in cooking. Coconut milk is produced by the coconut meat, also called coconut flesh or pulp. It has a high fat content of around 17%, but is low in sugars. It is used in curries, desserts, soups and thin sauces. Dried coconut meat is called as copra. This can be processed to produce coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which is antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, and an antiparasite. Its vegan oil is used in cooking, soaps, cosmetics and hair oil. Coconut leaves have many uses, such as for making brooms, mats, and thatch for roofing. Coconut coir, also called the fiber of the husk, can be used for making ropes, mats, brushes, and as stuffing for mattresses and sacks. Coconut husk can also be used as a mosquito repellent. Coconut shells are used in making kitchen utensils, bird feeders, bowl, etc. The activated carbon obtained from burning coconut shells is effective for removing impurities. Coconut dust, also called peat, is used as natural manure for plants. Cocoa peat is a byproduct that remains after the extraction of coconut fibers, which is from the husks or shells. Cocoa peat is full of nutrients, and is an excellent growing medium for plants. The trunk of a coconut tree is used in the construction of bridges, houses and boats. The root water of coconut tree can also treat some diseases such as dysentery, diarrhea, and other digestive problems. The roasting water of coconut tree can also treat skin diseases, such as itching, etc. Drupes do not rely on animals and birds to spread it around. Interestingly, Drupes disperses itself on the ocean tides, sending it all over the world. All in all, coconut is a total champion, with its innumerable uses. Okay, then, let's meet in my next video, where I would share new knowledge content. Until then, stay tuned. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel.